When people ask whether AI already flies planes, the answer is surprising. Yes, it just doesn't look the way most people imagine. AI in aviation isn't a futuristic brain making decisions on the fly. It's something far quieter, far more precise, and already deeply embedded in every commercial flight. Modern aircraft are filled with systems designed to manage complexity beyond human reaction time. Flight management systems compute fuel, use optimal routes and climb profiles. Autopilot maintains altitude, heading, and airspeed with millimeter precision. Envelope protection systems actively prevent pilots from stalling the aircraft or overstressing the structure. These are forms of artificial intelligence, but they aren't thinking, they're recalculating. Aviation AI is built around rules, not intuition. Each system is designed to solve a specific problem very well. It doesn't understand the flight as it understands the world. It understands parameters. When you engage autopilot, you aren't handing control of the aircraft to an independent entity. You're reactivating a layer of automation that executes instructions with perfect consistency. The aircraft continuously processes data from airspeed sensors, gyroscopes, GPS, satellites, and engine management computers. These systems compare this data to expected values and make micro-adjustments many times per second. This is why flight feels so smooth. But this automation depends entirely on the quality of the inputs. If sensors provide conflicting information, the system doesn't get confused. It continues operating based on its logic. That's where humans become critical. Pilots aren't there because the airplane can't fly. They're there because the system doesn't know when it shouldn't trust itself. AI already assists pilots in decision-making in other subtle ways. Traffic collisions avoidance systems monitor other aircraft and issue immediate climb or descend commands if a collision risk exists. Ground proximity warning systems constantly calculate trajectory and terrain closing rates. Long before a pilot could visually recognize danger, the system issues alerts. These AI-driven systems do one specific thing extremely well. They watch, they calculate, and they intervene when necessary. But they never understand why the decision matters. AI also optimizes flight paths behind the scenes. Airlines use algorithms planned days in advance, selecting routes based on winds, fuel prices, and weather patterns. During flight, the aircraft continuously recalculates performance based on weight, temperature, and air density. This is not autonomy, it is optimization. A very powerful form of it, but still bounded. Air traffic control relies on AI-assisted tools to predict traffic flow, identify conflicts, and manage congested airspace. But controllers remain in the loop because airspace is not a mathematical problem alone. It is a coordinated human system filled with intent, communication, and judgment. When conditions deviate from the expected, humans resolve ambiguity better than any algorithm. Aviation learned this lesson early. Automation that replaces humans creates new risks. Automation that supports humans reduces risk. The industry does not push AI toward independence. It pushes it toward reliability. This is why the future of aviation is not about removing pilots. It's about changing their role. Pilots are becoming system managers. They monitor multiple layers of automation. They verify system behavior. They intervene when context matters. They are the final authority not because machines are weak, but because judgment cannot be hard-coded. Every AI in systems flying today operates within strict boundaries. It cannot improvise, it cannot reinterpret goals, and it cannot ethically weigh outcomes. It executes what it was designed to do extremely well and nothing more. That discipline is why aviation automation is trusted. This is why AI already flies planes, and also why it doesn't replace humans. The future will add more capability, more prediction, more assistance. But aviation will always keep a human in the loop. Not for control, but for understanding. Because flying is not just about keeping an aircraft in the air. It's about knowing when the rules don't fully apply. This is the curious code. All because the sun didn't just give us light. It holds the entire solar system together. Stay curious.